All right, we are in the STI. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've talked to you guys. I've been slacking, I know. You guys have been asking for a walk around of the STI. I've had this freaking thing for a year and a half. It has almost 18,000 miles on it, and I've yet to officially introduce it to you, the channel. So yeah, my bad. That's all I gotta say. I don't know. I just completely lost motivation last year to upload videos, and I kind of was just taking a break. I wasn't happy with the content I was uploading, but now I kind of just want to get back into it. So that's what we're doing today. I'm officially announcing my unretirement from YouTube. So we're starting it off with a walk around of the STI because that's what you guys want to see. And also comment down below with any other content that you guys want to see of the car or anything, whatever, because I really want to get back into it. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'm all about it. Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, let's get started. So without further ado, lo and behold, my 2021 STI. Sorry it's taken so freaking long for me to finally introduce this car to you guys. I disappeared for like a year and a half, and then I randomly just uploaded a video of me driving an STI, and you guys were like, what the heck? So yeah, I got another STI, you guys. If this is your first time watching, I had a black one. I sold it to Carvana back in April 2021. I also sold my Supra, you guys. This is the first time that you guys are hearing that. I no longer have the Supra. I sold it a couple months after selling my black STI because it was just an absolute money pit. It needed so much work, and by the time I had finished doing all the work that it needed, all the service and maintenance that car needed, I was over it. I was tired of the car. I was like, I don't want to keep investing money into this thing. So I sold it. I let it be someone else's problem. And a month later, I ended up getting this. So this took me like a month and a half to find, because it was when there was like no inventory on any of the dealership lots. So I saw this one was incoming. It wasn't even on the lot yet. It was just in transit to the dealership. I put a deposit on it, and when it got there, I picked it up. So let's go ahead and do a little walk around, because you guys have been wanting to see the STI, and I have yet to officially introduce it. So that's what this video is today. So starting off with the front, we've got an OEM STI front lip. This car is lowered on Fortune auto coilovers. You guys know I'm obsessed with TE37s, so of course that's what we're rocking. We have some TE37 SLs. These are Formula Silver, 18x10 with a +40 offset, and they're wrapped in 265/35 tires. It's a square setup like that all around. So coming out to the back, we've got the US spec OEM splash guards, and we also have just an axle back. That's all I'm rocking for now. I have been wanting to make the car louder, but I also just don't feel like, I don't know, I'm not crazy about buying parts anymore. I'm not like the car is just makes me happy how it is now, so I'm not really motivated to spend more money on it. My goal for this car is for it to just be as daily driver friendly as possible, and that's exactly what this car has been. I've had it for a year and a half. I've put 18,000 miles on it. I drove it to Miami and back. This car has been absolutely amazing. It's been the best daily driver ever. You guys know that I stand by the STI being a great daily driver because it's fun to drive, it's good looking, it sounds great, it's all-wheel drive. The only thing that sucks about this car is its gas mileage, but besides that, I think it's the perfect daily driver. No complaints whatsoever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy is done to this car. So it's a base model 2021. It's the last year of the STI, so I'm glad I got my hands on one. I really hope there's no wind noise, because there's a little bit of wind, there's a little bit of a breeze. So but yeah, interior is completely stock. This is exactly how I brought it home from the dealership. Nothing done to the interior. I just cleaned it today just for this video, just for you guys. It's locked. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This video was long overdue though. Like, I should have introduced this car the day that I bought it, and I didn't. Big mistake. But anyways, yeah, I mean, I kind of just lost motivation last year. I also became a single man like the month that I bought this car. So me and Tori, my ex, for those of you that don't know, I mean, she was in a couple of my videos back in the day. So yeah, that ended, went our separate ways. I bought this car like 3 or 4 weeks after, in December. And then all of 2022, I pretty much didn't upload. I randomly uploaded a video of me driving around Miami, and you guys freaked out like, what the heck? We're back in Virginia now though, unfortunately. I do want to move to Miami, so we're currently trying to, you know, make that happen. Hopefully within the next year or so we can make that happen, but for now we're making the best out of Virginia, even though it's kind of boring and there's really no content for me to upload out here for you guys. And that's another thing as to why I stopped uploading. I just didn't have anything to upload. So I don't know, you guys let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments below. But either way, I'm just happy to be picking the camera back up. I'm happy to, you know, start doing this again, start talking to you guys, putting stuff out there for you guys to watch. So yeah, this is my 2021 STI. Happy to be back, happy to be doing this again. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked the STI. It pretty much is exactly the same as my black one, except now it's blue. And the blue I absolutely love. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing in the sun. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Wanted to officially introduce the car to you guys. So until the next one, see you guys later. Peace.